Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla, and in today's video we are diving into an exciting topic that is going to be a game changer for many of you. So how to get your hands on the Navy Federal Ghost Business Credit Card. So we are talking about a credit card that doesn't report to your personal credit or business credit bureaus, and how to get up to $35,000 with no documentation required. So trust me, you don't want to miss this out. So keep watching until the end. And if you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And also don't forget to join my free VIP group for more insider tips about credit and about business, about personal credit and business credit, finance, and much more. I will leave the link in the description box below. All right, so let's break down what the Navy Federal Ghost Business Credit Card is all about. So this card is often referred as a ghost card because it doesn't report your credit utilization to either personal or business credit bureaus. So what does this mean for you? It's essentially you can use this card for anything that you need, obviously business wise and preferable business wise. So you can max out this credit card without worrying about it will impact your credit utilization or your ability to get more funding. So the Navy Federal Ghost Business Credit Card is a unique tool that allows you to get up to $35,000 in credit with no documentation required. This is amazing. So after the $35,000 mark, you will need to provide some documentation, but till that point, it's a smooth sailing, so you can go from there. Let's talk about some of the key features of this card and why it is so beneficial. So first and foremost, the fact that this card doesn't report to personal or business credit bureaus is a huge advantage. So you can max out your credit line without affecting your credit score in either or any the personal or the business side. The next thing is high approval rate with lower credit score. So another amazing thing about Navy Federal Ghost Card is that Navy Federal tend to approve people with lower credit score. So I have seen people score as low as 620 and get approved for $25,000, which is practically unheard with most lender, because if you have a low credit score, then the possibility that you get approved is really low, or even if they approve you, it might be that high, that your credit line, it might not be that high. So the next thing basically is easy application process. So you can apply for this card the same day you open your business checking account with them. So there is no need to wait and let your account season. You can get a straight right away and apply for this credit card. And the next thing basically is your credit limit. So you can get up to $35,000 with no documentation required. If you need more than that, you will just need to provide some basic information or documentation like bank statement, tax return, and all of that. So they will ask you for some information, so be sure you have that information handy. That way they can approve you for more limit. Now let's talk about through how to apply and increase your chances of getting approved for this card. The first thing is you need to join Navy Federal Credit Union. So the first step is to become a member of Navy Federal. If you are not in the military, don't worry. You can still join by leveraging a family member who has served. Just call in and then they will help you to set up your account. If you need more details on how to join, check out another video that I did on that subject that will help you. The next thing basically is open a business checking account after you join, because you have to join on the personal and then you open your business checking account with them. And for this you will need your LLC, EIN number, and DUNS number to get started. So make sure you bring all of this documentation when you open your account, or have it handy if you are on the phone with them. That way the process goes smooth and you don't have to be too long on the phone or on the call or during the process. The next thing basically is applying for the Ghost Business Credit Card. after your business account is open and set up, you can apply for the Navy Federal Ghost Business Credit Card right away, the same day. You don't have to wait or season anything or your account. Navy Federal pull from your Experian credit score for this application. Be aware that it's gonna pull your Experian. That way you can check how your credit on that particular bureau is. If you need to fix something now here and there, that way to get as low as or higher than 620. That way you have more probability to get approved. So make sure your Experian report is in good shape. Next thing you need is to maintain a good relationship with Navy Federal. To improve your chances of getting approved or even getting higher limits, it's important to maintain a good relationship with Navy Federal Credit Union. So make regular deposits into your business account and use their other products. So use their product, that will help you tremendously. So the stronger is your relationship with them, the more likely you are to get approved for higher limits. Let me give you some example here of how powerful this credit card can be. So imagine you are starting your business and you need funds to purchase inventory, launch a marketing campaign, or even cover operating expenses. So with a 25,000 to 35 credit line approved on this particular credit card, you will do all of this without affecting your credit score at all. Neither the personal or the business, so it won't report to any of them, giving you the flexibility to grow your business without being stressed out that you cannot have or pay get your utilization down. So it's gonna release a lot of stress or avoid a lot of stress. So another strategy is leveraging this card for large purchases that you can pay off over time. So since the card doesn't report the utilization to the credit bureaus, you can manage cash flow more effectively without worrying about your credit score taking a hit or deal with the credit utilization reporting to your credit bureau. So now I want to share with you how to make the most out of this card, and here are a few tips. So the first one is use your credit card wisely. Even though the utilization is not reported to the credit bureaus, you should still use the credit card responsibly. So pay off the balance regularly to avoid high interest fees, because yes, even though you can benefit from not reporting the credit utilization, also you need to be aware that obviously you need to pay down whatever you use. So don't be irresponsible or don't want to trick the system, because this won't work, and actually it's gonna hurt your credit. And then in the near future, if you don't do this the right way, it can limit you from getting more funding. So the next step or the second tips is build a strong relationship with Navy Federal Credit Union. So the more you engage with Navy Federal, whether it's using their bank services or applying for more of their products, so the more likely they are to increase your credit limit over time, because you have a mix of products that you are using from them. And if you do it the right way and you using it responsibly and you don't have anything in a negative way, they will see that they can trust you. So you are creating a trustworthy relationship, and they will be willing to give you the shot. Another tips basically is increase your credit limit after 91 days, or so each 91 days. I would say 91 days to 100 to be on the safe side, but consider asking for a credit limit increase every 91 days to 100 using this card. Remember that you need to be using this card. You need to be maxing out the card or in pay down, and you have to be active using this card, because if you get approved for $25,000 and you don't use even $5,000 in a monthly basis, they will think that you might not need that much funding, so they want to approve you. So you have to be putting everything business related to this card and just get paid down, use it responsibly, and they will see all of this transaction going on and all of the payments coming in, and they will give you increase with no question asked. And the next tip basically is diversify your credit. So with this, what I mean is, while this card is fantastic, remember to diversify your credit portfolio. Consider other business credit cards and line of credit to further strengthen your business financial foundation, and also it's going to strengthen your business profile. So get these tips, consider all of these tips and put it in practice. That way you can benefit the most. The Navy Federal Ghost Business Credit Card is an incredible tool for entrepreneur or small businesses owner looking for to build or leverage business credit without the usual headache of everything that is reported to credit bureaus. With high approval rates, generous limits, and no reporting to credit bureaus, it's a no-brainer for anyone serious about scaling their business. So if you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss out any videos that I upload. Also, I would love for you to join my free VIP group where I go deeper into strategies like this, and also more information about business and personal credit and finances and everything related to that. So I would love to see you in there. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.